What's happening with Puff Daddy? Yes, with all his parties, freak off parties. That's the news of the day. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, October the 11th, 2024. And we have here three regular puzzles. One of those puzzles I've already solved. The 3 star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left: the Killer Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Four of those, sorry, seven extra puzzles. Four of those I will solve not now, but in the evening. But now I will continue with this one, the 4 star Sudoku number 9419. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24. This one 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. Yeah. 4 stars Sudoku has always 24. And for 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. 30 minutes or more. Well, could be also 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is it a 3 stars or 4 stars Sudoku? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 2 in this column? 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 place level. The 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Need a 3 there. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 in the last column, no 6 there, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these two boxes. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in this column next on last column. The only place left for the 1. Should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Need a 1 there, yeah. 5 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 in these two boxes. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 in those two boxes. So 1 in this big square. Could be here. Could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between the middle row. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 in the second column. No 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. I need an 8 there, okay. Need a 2 there, 2 here, 8 there, 9 here, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for 9 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. Alright. Now. Let me see. Need 2 here, need 2 there. Okay. Need 8 here. 8, 4, and 7. Come on. What's happening? Not the 5, no. 3. Yeah, in this column, we need a 3. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be there in this column. Here or there, we see another 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left with 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place left with 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 in these two boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in those two boxes. 1 box left with a 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 4, 5, 7. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in this box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these two boxes. 7 in the last column, no 7 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Mark those two boxes all the way to 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left with 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 7. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. How about the 1s then? Yeah, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. The 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2. 6 and the 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in the last column. From numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. From numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. Then let me see. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 5 and the 2. Come on, come on, come on. 6, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, okay. Then Yeah, but the 6 here, 6 there, okay. 4 here, 5 and the 2. Well. But the 9 then. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Then come on. Need a 9 there, need a 9 here. 2, 9, 5. Two, need a 2 here, or there. Yeah, I'm thinking about the 3s. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Need a 5 here. 4 and 8. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 5 goes there. I need a 4 here. Yeah. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 8. Well, I need a 4 here also. 4, 4. Need a 5. But there, the 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. Yeah. But the 2 now. Yeah. This column, 2 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 should be there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Yep. So, well, in this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in the third one, no 9 in this box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 to 9, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So here can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 2. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left with the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's missing 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row and only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 9 goes there. One box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 4 to 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 5 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the final number in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 16 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one. 4 stars, nope. 3 stars, nope. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Yeah, I like this one. If you like this dude, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.